Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making the classic Jamaican favorite curry goat from scratch. This dish is full of flavor and I can't wait to share my step-by-step process with you. So the goat is washed with vinegar and salt, and now I'm adding some adobe seasoning. Then I'm adding some jerk seasoning. Yes, I said jerk seasoning to my dish, my meat. After, I am gonna add me some all-purpose seasoning, but I'm gonna use the one with no MSG, yeah. Wanna keep away all that salt. So I sprinkled enough, depends on how you like it. You can sprinkle it any way you like it. Then I add some garlic powder. And now I'm gonna add some Slap Your Mama. I don't know why, I just love this season. Then I add a little curry. You don't have to, but I like to add curry to my meat. Yes. And I'm gonna make it rest. Then I mix everything together. Mix it together because I'm going to make the meat marinate for 2 hours, and this helps the flavor to soak into the meat. And so this is a powder season that I'm rubbing into the meat. So now I'm going to add some green seasoning, and I'm going to blend up some garlic, ginger, green peppers, onions, and I add me some rosemary, scallions, and onions. And then I add vinegar to it. I add them nicely in here. I should have cut them smaller, but knowing me, I was going to my congregation meeting, so I was rushing. So add it in there. Then I'm gonna add me some vinegar because I'm gonna blend it up. Yes. I'm gonna blend nicely. But I'm not done. I'm gonna add a few more stuff. So I'm gonna add a Scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme and pimento seed to this. And then I'm gonna blend again. And this definitely adds a spice and kick to the goat. My goat. And then I'm gonna pour it on the meat that I seasoned with the powder seasoning. I'm gonna pour it over it. But even this season you can also use on any meat. This green season, it definitely adds flavor to the meat while it's marinating. And I let it marinate for 2 hours. I'm gonna mix well, and I'll put away for 2 hours. Now it's time for me to start making the goat after 2 hours later. So I'm eating the oil. Next, I'm gonna add me some garlic and ginger as well as the curry, because we have to brown the curry, guys. It's a thing that Jamaicans do. We put the curry in the oil to brown. But while I'm browning it, I'm gonna add me some ginger and garlic to the pot. I'm gonna dice ginger. gonna add the goat meat. I'm gonna add the meat to the pot, and I'm gonna stir it well, because I want the meat to be, as we would say, sweat. There's a thing that sweat to give it this thick, nice, luscious gravy, and so I'm gonna cover it and allow it to sweat. Now I check it to see, after about 20 minutes. Now it has its own water, and the water has this texture to it, and you allow it to stay there and just cook. Look at this. It is so beautiful, guys. I wish you could see it in person. It looks so good. The gravy in the bottom just looks amazing. But this is not going to be the gravy that we're going to use in the end. But just that, when it sweats, it gives it that, that curry goat look. Yes. So I'm adding right now some hot water, and the hot water has to be used to cover the meat, and I'm gonna allow this meat to simmer for an hour and a half until the meat is tender. Throughout the process, you will see me stirring occasionally, and I will add a little bit more water because I want the meat to be properly tenderized. Now it's time to add the potatoes and carrots, and I'm gonna put them in the pot for 20 minutes so that the curry could thicken, and it just makes the gravy look or just taste delicious. Then I'm gonna add my vegetables that I want to add to the dish. All season, scallion and thyme, onion, green peppers, Scotch, bonnet pepper.
Cover it up.
Here, I'm finally going to taste the curry to adjust to see if there's anything needed, any salt, any pepper, any extra flavor that needed to be added. And all I add, I don't think I figured that, but I added just a little bit of more all-purpose seasoning. Not much, but it was perfect.
Looks yummy though.
And there you have it, authentic Jamaican curry goat made from scratch. Serve it up. So now I'm eating it with some google rice and peas. And my daughter, she told me that she was hungry and she's waiting for me to feed her, but I had to get my plate first. So thank you for watching me cooking today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Leave a comment below. Thank you.
Just waiting on our food, guys. Thank you.